triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities on KuCoin crypto exchange. And if you're new to this channel, my name is Arthur, and on this channel I make videos about crypto trading and stuff like that, and anything related to cryptocurrency. So last time we scanned BitGet crypto exchange right here, and the link to this video is going to be in the description below. Make sure you watch it so that you can know how exactly you're gonna be able to scan on BitGet and execute trades. But today's video, we're just gonna go straight right into it and scan for triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities on KuCoin crypto exchange. So without further ado, guys, let's just jump right into it without wasting any time. So first thing first, obviously we have to configure our settings right here. Right, by the way, after this video, auto trading video is coming. I'm just uploading it right now, so I pretty much showed everything. But other than that, let's get right into it. So we're scanning on KuCoin crypto exchange. We're just gonna put KuCoin crypto exchange right here. By the way, you can also see that there's a bunch of crypto exchanges that you can pretty much scan on. All these crypto exchanges pretty much work 100%. You know, if you've got an account on one of these crypto exchanges, I recommend you should give it a try. And also, of course, I've uploaded Cobra scanner video whereby you buy cryptocurrencies from one exchange and then you sell it to another exchange at higher price. That's called cross arbitrage, right? So you know that with cross arbitrage I use the Cobra scanner, and all the links gonna be in the description below. So we're just gonna select KuCoin crypto exchange right here. Right, KuCoin amount, we're putting 200 right here, and I want to see the top 20 triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities from KuCoin. Profit threshold should be 1.5, max total 10,000. So we're just gonna go ahead and click apply. All right, guys, so it didn't really take time. As you can see, we have these opportunities right here. Really good opportunities. First one being USDT, XRP, to be, and then BTC. You know, very good opportunity, at least like 4.82%, followed by Bitcoin Cash right here, right? So I guess we're just gonna take the first one right here, XRP. Very easy one. I'm looking at right here. And the last one has got at least 1%, 1.9%, which is ADA. So it's very low. So I guess we're just going to take the first one right here, XRP, because it's a good one right there. And let's get right into it, guys. You know what I'm saying? And this is the reason why you need to scan these opportunities in real time, you know, because by the time you want to try these opportunities, gonna be expired, because it only take up to 6 minutes. You know what I'm saying? So you can take advantage of these opportunities up to 6 to 8 minutes, somewhere there. No. So yeah, let's get right into it. Let me just log into my phone. All right, guys, so let's get right into it. So first thing first, we're just gonna jump right here and search for XRP right here, and then we're just gonna buy 100% of available balance that we have, exactly like this, and click buy. Oh, sorry about that. And this trade should get executed right now. Exactly. So now that we have got some XRP right here, right, we're just gonna go ahead to XRP to BTC. Search it right here. All right, or we can just search right here XRP like this, XRP to BTC, right? So we're gonna have to sell 100% of our available XRPs that we have right here. This is a market order, so that's gonna go through immediately. 100% and click sell, right? Now we have got some BTC, and then we're just gonna have to sell this BTC to ZAR, right? Let's go ahead and sell this BTC to USDT. BTC to USDT right here, and click sell. Click sell 100%. Sell, right? And then we just gotta go ahead and check what we have. Then boom, simple like that. We can see that now our wallet has got up, because we started with 200, and then now you can see probably made like 4%. And this is how easy triangular crypto arbitrage is. So this is, my name is Arthur. Just wanted to show you how exactly you guys can do this, and the link to the scanner and everything's gonna be in the description below as well. Just simply follow all these tutorials, and therefore I'll send the video. Love and peace, and cheers.